Man, school is such a boring day, isn't it?
Yeah, I know. What should we do to enjoy ourselves?
I got it. How about we gamble so we can have fun, isn't it?
Sounds good to me.
Okay, we'll find a perfect spot.
Once Furnace Bully and Fire Bully found a perfect spot to gamble.
Alright, we just find the perfect spot to gamble, and we got all the gambling stuff we needed.
Then what are we waiting for? Let's rock this casino thingy up.
Alright.
One hour of gambling later.
Wow, that gambling was so addicting that it made me want to play it up again.
I know, right? It made me want to earn lots of money before we
get caught.
Furnace Bully and Fire Bully, I can't freaking believe you both gambled in my class. You know that you both are not supposed to gamble, because it's addictive and it's a crime. That's it. Both of you go to Principal Daniel's office right now. You both are in big trouble.
What?
So Furnace Bully and Fire Bully, why are you here in my office?
We both gambled in school.
Furnace Bully and Fire Bully, how dare you both gambling at school? You know that it is an addictive act, and it's illegal for both of you. That's it. Both of you are suspended for 250 days. Now get out of this school premises and go home right now.
At Furnace Bully's house.
Furnace Bully, how dare you gamble in school along with Fire Bully and got suspended? You know that can get you arrested. That's it. You're grounded for 275 days.
Now go upstairs to your room right now, or else you will be grounded for 307 days instead.
At Fire Bully's house.
Fire Bully, we can't believe you gambled in school along with Furnace Bully and got suspended. You know that act is addictive and can get you arrested. That's it. You're grounded for 296 days.
Now march upstairs to your room immediately, or else you will be grounded for 312 days instead.
What?